Hello everybody, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Abiram Palam, and today we're going to be talking about solve a simpler problem and make a table. Objective: understanding the perimeter of the table shapes. So we're going to do some shapes and they're going to line them up as like a table, and we're going to find the perimeter of that. Now if you forgot a perimeter, I'm going to explain it now. A perimeter is the sides of the shape. So let's say each side was 1 inch, so 1, 1, 1. Now if you want to see what the perimeter is, you're going to have to add these all up. So this would be 4. So the perimeter would equal 4. So basically the perimeter is just adding up all the sides. And before we start the video, I guys recommend you get a pen and paper so you guys can try it along with me. So for first problem, look at my pen. So we have 3 squares here, and what we're going to do here is we're going to find the perimeter of each square. So I just drew them apart, but you should keep them connected so you guys can, I drew them apart so you guys can see correctly, but when you're doing this in class, make sure you draw them pretty close. So each side is equal to 1 inch. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 1, 1. Now you can understand why I do them pretty apart so you guys can know which inches each. So each one of these sides is 1 inch. Now our goal is to find the perimeter of this. So we already know 1 square equals 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 4, and we're 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. But we're doing repeated addition here, and we can do multiplication because multiplication is the same thing as repeated addition. So we have 3 4s, so 3 times 4, and our answer is 12. So the perimeter of these squares is equal to 12. And you're probably confused. There's no reason to be confused about. Math is already hard. You should not make it more hard on yourself. So all we did here is we counted each square, each side, and then we found out and we added them all up. So it's basically just simple addition. Let me erase this. Okay. For our next problem. Now this might be tricky because they're close together. So each side for this I'm going to do 2. So this is 2 inches, and then this is 2 inches, and then this is 2 inches. We don't have to draw one up on here because the triangle only has 3 sides. So first let's not add them up. So then we have 2, and then we have 2 right here. We have 2. Sorry if they're really hard to see. So there's 2 right here, 2, and then 2 up here, and then 2, 2, and then 2, and then for our final one, 2, 2, 2. So it might be tricky. So let's just count up all the 2's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 2's. So we have to do 15 times 2. Now we can do it either this way, and if you already know your multiplication facts, you know the answer, but I'm going to do it like this way because some kids are not just doing 2 digit by 1 digit like this. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1, 3. So our answer is 30. So the perimeter of this would be 30. Now, what I suggest when your teacher asks you to solve these kind of problems is note down your numbers. How I'm like doing it, I'm noting down the numbers right here. Note these down. If you don't, and then you just keep it on your mind, each side is equal to 2, so we just add each side, then it's not good for you. Sometimes you might miss one number, or you miss one side, or you miss a couple of sides and you don't even know what to do. Note your numbers down because math is already harder, and then You don't want to make it harder yourself. For this one, we're just going to do plain, normal perimeter adding. So then there's 2 inches per each side, so 2 times 4, because each side is 2 and there's 4, so 2 times 4 equals 8, so the perimeter of this equals 8. So then this problem is plain also just adding normal perimeter, but I want you guys to do it by yourself. Comment down below what you get for your answer, and please like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. My name is Aviram Paul. Please tell me how I can make my videos better. And we're releasing our 4th grade math playlist soon. Please keep an eye look for that. And if your friends are going to 4th grade, then tell them to look at that. And please, if you want to do anything like this and you have technical issues, comment down below. We can help you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.